Silver and gold done in America, 59% won't buy it. Yes, you heard that number correctly, 59%. Now, keep that number in your mind because this is what's happening. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link below. Get in on this contest by Money Metals. They're sponsoring this channel and they're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles every month. Every month they're holding this contest. 20 American Silver Eagles. It's a lot of fun. Now, this is what's happening. Check this out. This is from Kitco. And they're showing that the U.S. Mint sold 412,000 ounces of gold. And that has declined 59% because it was 1 million prior to that. That's a 59% drop. Now, the crazy part about this is many stackers have been on the sidelines for buying silver. Now we've experienced a very significant drop. I'm talking about a $5 drop in the past few days for silver. And many stackers have been waiting because they follow the $10 rule. That means when silver goes up $10, they clear all of the premiums and all the taxes they put in when they bought their silver, and then they get a nice increase in value on top of that. So we had a $10 jump about 10 months ago, and a nice $10 jump in silver that made every stacker happy. And then we hit a state of correction. That's how silver works. It doesn't mean silver's dead. It means we hit a state of correction. But what's happened with many people, it's the issue is twofold. First, the mint clearly they just don't know how to do business. I mean, they don't know how to run their business. Yes, 59% is a painful number. It's a painful drop. It's a huge decline, 59% for gold. But look at what happened for silver regarding the U.S. Mint. I mean, we had Eagles. They were charging, what was it, $14, $15 over spot just a few years ago for Eagles. That was the rate. $14, $15 over spot, and it's just silver. Just like this is all generic silver I'm showing you, right? A silver eagle is supposed to be like the safest bullion, right? Because the U.S. Mint is creating it and selling it. So it's supposed to be the smart investment. Meanwhile, everyone was getting ripped off. You know, people who were buying, stackers who were still going in on eagles at that time. So now, any of those stackers who've tried to cash out, particularly when we got that bump 10 months ago, many stackers tried to cash out their American Eagles and they lost their shirt. They lost a lot of money. So, and that's the mint. That's the U.S. Mint. So to hear 59% is painful, but it really shouldn't be a big surprise because clearly the mint just doesn't know how to run their business. They just don't. But in terms of silver stackers being discouraged, you know, we really are. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just telling you the patterns of silver. We are in a state of correction, right? Wall since what? A few days ago when all the tariffs started hitting and we'd see that hard hit to Wall Street, a hard hit to the dollar. Of course, silver and gold pull back, but really they're just getting ready for serious momentum because that's what happens when we have strong inflation, when we have any hit to the economy. People turn to the safe haven of metals. So we are going to see silver and gold really come back even stronger than we've seen in the past few months. That's the pattern. That's the pattern. So I think many stackers are discouraged. They see this low price. They feel like, oh, silver's doing it again. It's dropping again. It's not going to come back. But even if you just look back the past 15 years, every time we've had a hard hit to the economy, every time we've had strong inflation numbers, every time Wall Street starts to tank, people take their funds and they put into that safe haven of metals. And it's exactly what we're going to see. Get some silver yourself. Click that link below. Get in on that contest from Money Metals. 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're doing that contest. Click that link, get in on it, and I'll see you guys